guys, Theresesohere. We're back with another Vlogmas. And today guys, I shot so much Vlogmas episodes because I'm planning to do some Vlogmas sit-down episodes. And now guys, nagmadali ako na magbihis after kong mag-shoot niyan. Bihis agad. Kasi nagte-text yung friend ko, magkikita kami today. And bigla na lang nag-text ang Tropical Stay PH. Nakalimutan ko, meron akong staycation today. Mamaya na lang kami, late check-in mamayang gabi ng sister ko kasi hindi pa kami nag-pack. So mamaya pack with me because I'm really fixing some things here for you guys. Medyo sinut ko lahat yan. Tingnan natin kung matatapos tayo. But see you in a bit. I'm gonna see my friend. Makikita nyo din siya. So, bye! Yan guys, I'm with Miel! Hi! Fresh from Bataan. Ayun. Hashtag Soriana Styles. Tingnan nyo yun.
Soriana Styles.
Na ako nandito.
Okay lang yan. Regular customer.
Nandito na naman tayo. I'm always here.
Gusto ko pang bumalik dito.
Babalik
yung magandang
ka.
outfit at walang mancha.
Madaming outfit.
Yung marami-rami.
Madami. Sige, mag-left ka na yan dyan. So guys, I'm back home. Nag-change outfit pala ako from yung a while ago. Ayan. Nakaganyan na ako. Pero there, nag-enjoy ako. Medyo catch up with my friend. And now, magpapack tayo. I'm gonna show you guys what I will pack for a staycation. I still don't know what to pack, but we will pack. Let's go. Sa Vlogmas natin, ilang beses na akong nang ganito nung nagpapack lang. Ayun guys, ito lahat ng dala ko, naka-backpack ako, tripod, and this one. Room tour. Ito, pagkapasok mo, may dresser. Tapos, and ayan, meron full length mirror. And look!